how to write. So now see. See, this is perfect cursive writing. No, this is not. Now this is shortcut cursive writing. This is short cursive writing. Shortcut cursive writing. Now proper cursive writing. First, now I will tell you. 1 minute, huh? Okay, 1 minute only. Is this cursive writing? This is not. Why not? Because cursive writing should be like this always. See, this is the proper cursive writing. This is the proper one. And this is not, and this is that. Before I have told you that is also not. This is only the perfect, and this is also not. This also will